Hey guys, and welcome once again to this channel. If you have been here and if you haven't, today's story sweet of you the best buy. I do hope that you hit that subscribe button and that you turn on notifications so that you never have to miss a video. Today's video is super fun for me because not only am I about to travel and go on vacation, but I also get to organize, which is one of my favorite things to do. So today we're going to be packing my makeup and also skincare in a carry-on bag. So I'm not necessarily taking a carry-on bag. I am taking a personal item and then I'm checking in a bag. But when it comes to my makeup and my skincare, I'd rather have it with me. So this is going to be in my personal bag with me, which is like a book bag. And as you know, well, I guess we'll get into like more details later. But if you want to see what I'm packing and how to pack this and stay within the rules, then just keep on watching. So as you know, when you take things into the plane with you, you have limitations when it comes to liquids. And anything that is cream, gel, paste, aerosol, sprays, and liquids is considered liquids. So that narrows it down to a lot of things that you cannot take on the plane, or more that you have a limitation on. So foundation, concealer, lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, mascara, primer, setting spray, oils, face wash, face moisturizer, all of those things are considered liquids. And so I need to have all of these with me, or I just prefer having them with me. So the rule when you travel is to remember the 3-1-1. So basically, each bottle that you take has to be 3.4 ounces or less in any like liquid or cream or any other things I mentioned. It has to be 3.4 or less, and you get 1 quart size, 1 bag per person. So 3 as in 3.4, 1 quart as in the size of the bag, and then 1 bag as in the amount of the bag. That's how it works. So if you don't know what a quart size bag is, it looks like this. I do have my own like clear bag that is for travel. It is the exact same size as you can see. So I'm going to be using this one just because it's more sturdy and it is allowed. But if you don't have something like this, then you just need a quart size bag. So I'm going to attempt, like I said, to fit everything that's liquid or cream or any of that in this bag. So in order to do that, I'm going to try to save some space by putting some of these like bigger items in small travel size bottles. So if you saw my Dollar Tree travel haul and tips video, then you saw that I bought these bottles over there. So I did transfer some of the items that I needed into these bottles. So that is the toner, which is a gigantic bottle, and so I just put it in here, and now I'm like almost out of it because of that. And then also the setting spray. Now this bottle of setting spray is allowed because it's actually exactly 3.4, so it's allowed, but I was almost out of it, and so I just transferred it here because it is a little bit smaller and I need all the space I can have. So that's why I transferred it into this little spray bottle, and then I put these labels that I had left over from another video if you saw my kitchen spices organization video. So with all that said, I'm just going to try to fit everything in here. Another thing I wanted to point out is that I do have 2 foundations, but if I don't have space, I'll just narrow it down to 1, which is going to be the Fenty one because that's like super natural looking and I'm really into it lately. So yeah, let's just start packing. So there you have it, all of my liquids and creams and gels and anything that is considered liquid is in here. So I have all of my skincare, my eye cream, moisturizer, face wash, toner, my SPF for the face, and then all of my also oil for skincare, and then all of my makeup that is liquid or cream, or you guys know the drill already. So anything that is like that is in here. This is going to be separate because I heard, they've never made me do that, but I heard that you have to take this out and like pass it through the, you know, the machine. I've never had to do that for some reason, but if I did have to take it out, then this is convenient to do that. And then here is the rest of my makeup and also skincare. To that, I'm going to add my makeup removing wipes and then my cotton pads for the toner, and then some Q-tips because everybody needs Q-tips. And then all of this is just going to go in my regular makeup bag along with the brushes, which I'm going to bring out in a second. And then what else did I have to say? In my checked-in bag, I'm just going to have like body products, so like deodorant would be considered liquid because it's a cream, I guess, body lotion, SPF for the body, and hair things as well. I did want to like be able to fit my hair things in here, but hair alone I had like 4 of these bottles and that would definitely not fit in here, so I'll just have to make do with this. Now for where I pack my makeup, this is what I have. This is the Sephora, I think it's called Carry It All bag. It is so cool. It's gigantic and it's just perfect. Another reason why I wanted to have my skincare in here as well is because this is so big that I'm definitely going to have a lot of space left over after I pack all the makeup. So I thought that I would be able to put the skincare in here as well, and that would just be more convenient. So here you have this little bag that's just flat, and then you have these 2 other bags. Let me actually check the angle because I'm not sure if you can see everything. Yeah, so just as I suspected, that was a little bit too close. So let me just center this a little bit more. So as I was saying, I have this bag that's just flat. On the top here, you have these little slits where you can put your brushes. And then here you have 2 of these, which are pretty good in size. So I think I'm going to like try to put all my makeup here. I actually don't have that much skincare left over after I packed everything in the liquids bag. So yeah, anyway, let's just start packing my makeup in here. So there you have it. That is all of my makeup and all of my skincare packed and are ready to go, both for the liquid and creams and all of that limitations, and then like my makeup in general. This bag is amazing. It's actually my first time using it since I bought it, so I'm very excited. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys found it helpful in any way. There's so many videos like this out there, but I do hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.